of course all the security issues which Salman is going through right now. हम एक ऐसे वक्त में है जहाँ even a Salman and शाहरुख का film are struggling if we compare जो पहले जो एक buzz और एक craze था. There was an article about Rashmika that though उनको बहुत अच्छी success मिली है, but you take Pushpa, you take Animal और you take Sikandar, she is either playing the wife or girlfriend. But he said that what was the need to kill Rashmika's character इतना जल्दी.
थिएटर पे आके देखो सब लोग रश्मिका when she entered, when she had her entry scene in Sikandar, the kind of cheers, you know, सलमान सर का तो है ही. और ये एक्सपेक्टेशन भी हम उतना नहीं लगा सकते हैं. Even if you see सलमान सर's interview, when people ask them कि सर आप नर्वस हो, रिलीज है, ईद पे रिलीज है, उन्होंने भी वही कहा था कि हमारा काम है करके छोड़ देना, उसके बाद ऑडियंस की विश है. Listen, he is a no nonsense guy.
Okay.
आप जाके वहाँ पे अगर फालतू की चीजें बात करोगे तो he will obviously get irritated. We were not allowed to get our phones inside the set. Hi, this is Shreya Gupta and you are watching me on Filmy Beat.
But you know, tell me something. You know, with Salman, of course, you know, उन्हें ये कहा जाता है man with a heart of gold.
Yeah,
you know, ये उनके लिए कहा जाता है. But you know, there's also a section of people who feel, you know, he's very strict and you know, उनको थोड़ा गुस्से का issue, and because there is, you know, a notion about him that too. So when you worked with him, okay, how is he? Of course, आपने अभी mention किया that he's very professional and all that stuff. But you know, ये जो एक एकदम उनकी एक image है that you know like a strict and थोड़ा लोग intimidate हो जाते हैं जब उनके साथ काम करते हैं. How was your experience?
Listen, he is a no nonsense guy.
Okay.
आप जाके वहाँ पे अगर फालतू की चीजें बात करोगे तो he will obviously get irritated. He's a no nonsense guy. I have become a crazy fan of him after working with him because of the person he is and for the caliber he has been, you know, 30 years, 35 years of stardom. Again, no nonsense and a very very generous person. उनके साथ, उनके आजू बाजू, उनकी टीम में जो भी लोग हैं वो पता नहीं कितने सालों से उनके साथ है. मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट पे मेंशन किया था कि मम्मी ने भी थोड़ा सा छोटा सा पार्ट किया था क्यों की मूवी में. तो तब मम्मी ने मुझे बोला था कि सलमान सर के असिस्टेंट का नाम ये है. You see if that person is there on set. So many years later, that person is still along with him, so that actually shows कि what kind of a person he is. अगर आप आपकी टीम को लेके चल रहे हो, not just for 5 years, 10 years, for like 30 years, it speaks caliber about that person.
Definitely. But you know, Sikandar also was one film जिसको I think shoot करना थोड़ा tricky भी था because of course all the security issues which Salman is going through right now. Set पे especially is because he is Salman, वरना I think जो उनके साथ हाल ही में हुआ है किसी और के साथ होता, I think शायद वो pause ही ले लेते एक साल का, but he didn't stop.
He was working on Sikandar, then he would go on Big Boss set, then again come on Sikandar. So it is such an admirable thing कि you know these guys are always on the go. They are not pausing.
Right. But how was that set का माहौल? Because एक security होना and उसके बीच में आप सबको काम करना पड़ता है. Of course the security is for Salman, but you know उस माहौल में काम करना because तब चीजें बहुत नई थी, अब तो फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत settle down हो गया. How was that, you know, working in that tight security and all that stuff?
Honestly, we were not allowed to get our phones inside the set because the makers were very possessive about what they are making, which is fair. कि कोई भी अगर picture डाल दे social media पे तो set leak हो सकता है, circle look leak हो सकता है. Apart from that bit, I don't think actors faced anything different. Of course, there were securities on set, but for obvious reasons. But that did not really hamper any of our performances. Or you know, that did not really create any difficulty.
Right. Now talking about Rashmika, who is again a very integral part of movie. Tell me something. Now this is actually a spoiler, but the thing is that आज अगर आप सिकंदर डालोगे तो ये this is one of the biggest news where the owner of Getty Galaxy Getty Galaxy like सलमान की फिल्म्स वहाँ वर्शिप होती है.
मैंने सिकंदर 2 बार उधर ही गेटी नहीं देखी है.
वो अलग ही मजा है वहाँ सलमान एंड शाहरुख स्पेशली फिल्म्स देखना. So he has this one complaint. He's saying that no matter you know सिकंदर कमा तो लेगी and एक decent amount of number definitely कमाएगी, but he said that what was the need to kill Rashmika's character इतना जल्दी. जल्दी, एंड दैट इज सब जगह, दैट इज द रीजन आई एम आस्किंग. सो बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स जब आप भी एक मूवी का हिस्सा हो तो मूवी की कोई भी बात है, आई थिंक यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन टू आंसर दैट. एज अ व्यूवर, एज समवन हु इज देयर इन द फिल्म, डू यू थिंक इट वाज अ वाइज डिसीजन? ऑफ कोर्स उसमें आपका कोई से नहीं है, बट एज अ व्यूअर आई एम आस्किंग.
आई मीन अगर उनका डेथ नहीं होता तो फिर सिकंदर को मोटो नहीं मिलता टू परस्यू विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. एंड इफ यू सी द मूवी, दो रश्मिका इज dead in the initial stage itself, she is there along with Sikandar, you know, pushing him to do what he has to be doing. Lots of spoiler, guys, can't help it. जाके नहीं देखा तो अभी spoiler सुनो. तो yeah, I feel I think Murugadas sir, when he wrote it also, that's what he thought कि, you know, probably वो मोटो तब मोटो इसी there should be something hard hitting in your life for you to make a difference, right? So that is the reason probably sir has added, but असलियत में क्या है वो तो मुरुगदास sir ही बता सकते हैं.
Right. But also have you you know, tell me any shooting experience with Rashmika? Have you met her? Anything which
so Holi जो bum bum बोले song है, Holi song में we did get the opportunity to have an interaction, and it was a very brief period of time, because आप अगर देखोगे Holi song में भी Rashmika appears for a very brief period. So yeah, it was just a very brief period of very sweet conversation. She's absolutely bubbly, and when she comes on set, it's like a different you know, energy altogether.
Right.
So yeah.
You know, Shreya, tell me one thing. ये काफ़ी बार एक्ट्रेस के साथ हुआ है, स्पेशली यू नो नाउ नोन एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेस जब जिन्होंने भी स्टार्ट किया था, कि मोस्ट ऑफ देयर इज अ सेक्शन हु थिंक्स दैट देयर आर सर्टेन एक्ट्रेसेस, ओके, who be a part of successful films, but more or less they are just a small part of the film, and actor बड़े हैं and movie 200-300 करोड़ कमाएगी ये तो तय है because of the names or whatever. So recently there was an article about Rashmika that though उनको बहुत अच्छी success मिली है, but you take Pushpa, you take Animal or you take Sikandar, she is either playing the wife or girlfriend. Now tell me something, and it's not like Rashmika is not the फर्स्ट एक्ट्रेस, ये काफी बार कई एक्ट्रेस को लेके बोला गया है. सिंस यू आर एन एक्ट्रेस एंड यू नो कितना मुश्किल होता है, यू नो, टू प्ले एनी पार्ट, ओके, हाउ डू यू रिएक्ट टू सच न्यूज, एंड स्पेशली बिकॉज शी हैज बीन योर को-स्टार?
I mean, I feel one can just sit and ये सब सिर्फ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. थिएटर पे आके देखो सब लोग रश्मिका when she entered, when she had her entry scene in Sikandar, the kind of cheers, you know, Salman sir का तो है ही. Rashmika when she entered the screen, I mean she has crazy fan following, and she has this crazy amount of fan following because of the work she's been doing. As you said, it is very difficult to get opportunities, and if she is getting the kind of opportunities she is, and if those films are making crazy ass numbers, who are we to even comment on that? I mean वो तो होगा यार, ये सारे डिस्कशंस होते रहते हैं बरसों से कि अच्छा सिर्फ 2 सीन्स मिले, अच्छा सिर्फ 3 सीन्स मिले, बट फैंस आर एंजॉयिंग इट, हु आर वी टू कंप्लेन?
राइट. I also recently, you know, saw one of your interview. Okay, now Sikandar, of course, as I said, it's doing great, and ऐसे भी Salman sir and Eid is a very deadly combo. And I think the film is inching towards 200 crores. I think I just heard the script, but still, you know, हम एक ऐसे वक्त में है जहाँ even a Salman and Shahrukh का film are struggling if we compare जो पहले जो एक buzz और एक craze था, and it's happening for various reasons. There is OTT, there is of course after COVID. Everyone is actually struggling with you know their financial thing. There was some news that you know that Sikandar के कुछ shows शायद cancelled. Now whether true or not we don't know, but there was some news. As an artist, you know, when you work in such big films and when you hear stories कि इतनी बड़ी फिल्म भी you know अगर there is a certain struggle, what do you think as an artist कि जब ऐसे projects भी when you hear that you know it is struggling?
ऑनेस्टली हमारा काम होता है सेट पे आना, अपना काम करना और ये होप करना कि सबको अच्छा लगे काम. अगर और ये एक्सपेक्टेशन भी हम उतना नहीं लगा सकते हैं. इवन इफ यू सी सलमान सर's इंटरव्यू, when people ask them कि सर आप नर्वस हो, रिलीज है, ईद पे रिलीज है, उन्होंने भी वही कहा था कि हमारा काम है करके छोड़ देना, उसके बाद ऑडियंस की विश है. So completely understand your question right now because of OTTs, you know, OTT coming on in our lives. Even I sometimes feel extremely lazy to go to the theaters and watch films, paying so much for not just the ticket but also for the snacks. You know, it's an expensive affair to go on in a theater and watch films. Halaki the cinephiles and the, you know, movie lovers would just go and do the needful, but of course it pinches your pocket. And अगर मैं वो फिल्म या वो शो मैं बैठ के 1 महीने बाद अगर मेरे फोन पे ही आ रहा है, तो मैं आज 2000 रुपए खर्चा करके क्यों जाऊँ?
That is the main problem.
That is the main problem. So even I just told you that I watched Sikandar in Gaiety Galaxy क्योंकि मुझे अपने 10 दोस्तों को लेके जाना था. I watched it in Gaiety Galaxy, A because of the price and B because of the vibe. So you know, it just pinches your pocket and probably that's why popcorns बहुत महंगे हो गए यार.
Right. Now Shreya, tell me something. सिकंदर कर ली, रजनी सर के साथ काम किया, एंड ऑफ कोर्स होपफुली अब आगे जाके बहुत कुछ काम करोगे भी. यू नो, जब एक फेस आता है ना, आई एम श्योर ये हर एक्टर के आता है, सक्सेसफुल एक्टर जो अभी स्टार्ट करे सब में आता है, when you don't get the work, second when you are getting the work but it's not the kind of work which you want to do. अगर आपके लाइफ में भी ऐसा कभी कुछ फेस आया था, how do you deal with that? Like वो मोटिवेशन या अपने आप को constantly मोटिवेट करते रहना.
I'll tell you one thing honestly, I haven't reached the stage where I am like मुझे काम मिल रहा है but this is not the kind of work I want. These are privileges. So I don't come from that privilege. For me an opportunity is huge. If an opportunity comes, अभी 2 दिन पहले किसी ने मुझे पूछा कि सिकंदर आप मतलब how did you get Sikandar? I didn't get Sikandar.
Of course.
I went and chased. I got Sikandar for myself. I went for the auditions. I chased casting director Mukesh Chhabra sir. I chased A.R. Murugadas sir. And after spamming, don't do that, but then after spamming them so many times, they said हाँ ठीक है, you know, बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर लिया, आके एक ऑडिशन दे दो. So that's how I get one project. So I am not in a privileged state where you know I can speak कि अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है बट मेरे लायक नहीं आ रहा है. ये सब बहुत दूर की बात है, प्रिविलेज वाली बात है. अभी के लिए तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू शो more of my skills, more of what I am capable of, and work with different directors, not just in Hindi but also in Tamil. Having said Tamil, because I have started my journey from Tamil cinema, right, and I know the language, so I'm just looking for good opportunities, either in Bangla or you know Bollywood or Tamil, because I know the language and also I would love to explore all the industries.
Right. Have you ever lost a project because the set or the vibe, or maybe whoever, you know, they met you, they gave you uncomfortable vibes, or maybe you sense that, you know, it can be a casting couch situation, because a lot of people, you know, they have the stories, some choose to say, some not choose to say, it's their own choice, but आपके साथ कभी ऐसा कुछ?
Honestly, Bombay में तो मुझे ऐसा कोई experience नहीं हुआ, but I would like to mention कि चेन्नई में, yes, back then when I was in school and we didn't really have casting director. If you Google and see the casting director of certain films, you'll not find a specific casting director. Whereas in Bombay we have Mukesh Chhabra sir, who has literally created an organized casting process. He was probably one of the first person, along with Shanu Sharma, you know, YRF to start with. That we didn't have back then in Chennai. And because of which directly आपको director से call आएंगे या फिर producer से call आएंगे. And there was one such incident that I did get a call from a director, national award-winning director. Obviously, I'm not going to name him. I went to his office along with my mother to give an audition, and my mother was outside and I went inside the cabin. I took the script and I asked him, you know, he was directing me.
What was your age at that time?
I think I was early 20s.
Achha, okay.
You know, early 20s, and I went and early 20s also, yeah. Back then, early 20s is like, right now the kids are more exposed to a lot of things. But आप 90s kids से पूछोगे ना, early 20s हम बहुत बेचारे थे यार. तो हम गए and the director was like, come sit on my lap and show me this scene.
Oh God.
And मैं तो 1 मिनट के लिए I was like, हाँ ठीक है. Then I was like, अरे नहीं, ये अंकल तो कुछ और डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Then I was like, सर मैं ना वापस जाके प्रिपेयर करके, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके आऊंगी. But I was scarred. Guys, I am laughing right now, but I was scarred. Because sometimes as a woman you don't know whether the hints you're feeling is the right hint or not. हमको तब वो ये नहीं सिखाया जाता था बिठा के कि बेटी यहाँ पे अभी जो नॉलेज हम लोगों को मिल रहा है, you know, now the inception of Me Too and everything, तब वो सब कुछ नहीं था जी. तो I just kept quiet, went back home and I was like, अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है, let me just try Bombay. And that's how that incident pushed me to come to Bombay. And honestly, Bombay, because of the casting process now, वो सब कुछ I did not face.
Great. Because your mother has also acted, you know, in films. Tell me something. And हर माँ का अपने बच्चों को लेके बहुत सुंदर और बहुत बड़े ख्वाब रहते हैं. आपकी मॉम का क्या वो ख्वाब है? Of course, you know, you'll do a lot of projects, but any specific wish of your mom कि मेरी बेटी इसके साथ काम करे या ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट में करे, जो एक उनकी definitely तमन्ना है.
My mom wants me to work with Shahrukh. Obviously. So she's like, I want you to work with Shahrukh. But no, my mom also knows the reality, how difficult it is to, you know, make it in an unpredictable job. This is an unpredictable job, right? कब आ रहा है, कब जा रहा है, you don't know as a freelancer. कभी कभार तो मम्मी ये भी बोलती है कि जॉब कर ले, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन तो किया है, जॉब कर ले. Because to be an actor you need a lot of patience. आपने आज ऑडिशन दिया, शायद आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर जाके पता चलेगा कि जो ऑडिशन आपने दिया उसमें आप शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए हो. तो उसके बाद और एक ऑडिशन, उसके बाद आपको पता भी नहीं whether you're going to get selected or not. So whoever wants to come into this industry, I to feel that if you have connects, it works. And if you don't have connects, you have to hustle. You have to be very, very prepared for hustling.
Right. But you know, of course, as you rightly said, you know, money matters a lot. Especially in the sense that if you're an artist,
if you're in Bombay.
And you know, if you're an artist, so I think the biggest thing that okay, इतना hustle भी हो रहा है, but because I have so a lot of my friends who are actors, बहुत उम्दा actors है, you know, but वही है कि because एक time के बाद पैसे ही एग्जॉस्ट हो गए हैं एंड एक टाइम के बाद यू हैव टू टेक फैमिली का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दे क्विट देयर एंड दे गो बैक टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव सिटी. टॉकिंग अबाउट यू, आई थिंक मैंने आपके इंस्टा में भी शायद किसी इंटरव्यू में देखा था कि आपने कहा था कि द रीजन यू आर एक्चुअली प्रोएक्टिव ऑन सोशल मीडिया इज बिकॉज यू नो इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू नो अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी. बट टेल मी समथिंग, हैज देयर एनी डेज जहां पे यू नो देयर वाज लाइक यू वर टायर्ड ऑफ यू नो दिस लैक ऑफ मनी जो हर आर्टिस्ट के साथ एंड
अभी 2 घंटा पहले मैं वैभवी को बता रही थी.
बताइए.
तो ये this is a constant thing. Unless and until you make it big and everybody in India knows you, this is a constant thing. Having said that, being in Bombay is my choice. Having also my choice because my karm bhumi is here. I get work from Bombay. Option ही नहीं है. And also I've shifted my mother and grandfather. Right now I stay with both of them and that's my family. And money exhaust हो जाता है. You need to have something or the other जो आपके सर्वाइवल को, जैसे कि आपका रेंट हो, आपकी बिजली की बिल हो, आपकी बाई हो, वो सब मैनेज करने के लिए. एंड ऊपर से अगर आपकी फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है तो आपको तो फिर बॉस you need to have something side by side to be you know churning out some I mean sources of revenue. Honestly Bombay में 1 2 3 जितना ज्यादा हो उतना बेटर है. बहुत बार लोगों ने मुझे ये बोला है कि तुम इतना इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स क्यों डालती हो, you know you're getting overexposed, you are losing the chance to be a lead woman. I understand the game, I totally agree to them. But if I don't do that and if I don't attract brands, how am I going to pay my bills? People don't talk about, you know, paying bills and everything like that. Bombay is expensive.
Of course.
So I do whatever I have in my capacity to go ahead with.
Right. Lastly, can you tell me what are your upcoming projects? Anything which you're talking?
Yeah, I'm doing a show which is getting directed by Mr. Sudhir Mishra. He's, yeah, it was a completely very like, you know, soul satisfying experience, क्योंकि सुधीर मिश्रा is a lovely director for real, जिन्होंने चमेली हजारों ख्वाहिशें डायरेक्ट किया है, तो वो आने वाला है इस साल. I'm very excited to see myself on you know getting directed and how things panned out and overall. So वो आने वाला है, और बाकी तो हसल और auditions on ही है.
Right. You know, I think a lot of people rightly said कि एक आर्टिस्ट डेफिनेटली चाहता है कि वो ये सर्टन काम करे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक आर्टिस्ट के हाथ में होता नहीं है बहुत कुछ. बट यू नो, इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक थिंग आपने सोचा है कि मेरी जितनी भी जर्नी रहेगी, जितना भी मैं एंड तक पुश कर पाऊंगी अपनी जर्नी को, मुझे ये काम करना है, इस तरह के कैरेक्टर करना है, दिस इज द इमेज आई वांट टू क्रिएट एज एन आर्टिस्ट व्हेन आई लीव और एनीथिंग, यू नो, हैव यू एवर थिंक अबाउट दिस?
अगेन बहुत प्रिविलेज वाली क्वेश्चन पूछ रही.
नहीं, बट दैट इज ओके, इट विल हैपन व्हेन इट विल हैपन. बट ये हर आर्टिस्ट सोचता है.
But no, I just feel that, you know, whatever I do, wherever I go, no matter whatever position I reach, I just want to be the way I am right now talking to you, and I don't want things any different. I like the me right now. I like how I perceive things, how I take things. So I do not have that strategy. और इतना अगर मैं strategy बना लेती ना तो कहीं और ही पहुंच जाती. So there's no strategy. I mean, I'm going with the flow. I'm doing what best I can in my you know capacity, and बाकी देखा जाएगा.
Yeah. You seem in a very good space. I mean, what I'm talking to, of course, I don't know you personally, but you seem in a very good space. What do you do specially? Because you are in a profession जो बहुत ही, you know, uncertainties के साथ आता है, and it has a very large chance that it can take a toll on your mental health also. What do you do specifically to make sure that you are in a good space when it comes to your mental health?
किसने बोला मैं गुड स्पेस में हूँ? बट मैं तो बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग कर लेती हूँ.
Then you're a very great actor.
So yeah, I mean, majority it's that, you know, because it does take a toll on your mental health.
Even after that, you know, rather than, you know, give up ना करके, just to make sure कि मुझे हर दिन, it's a very big thing.
Because I have responsibilities. मैंने घर खरीद लिया है बॉम्बे में, मुझे लोन पे करना है, तो I can't stop. I can't sit down, sulk, and I cry, and then I'm like, अरे EMI पे करना है, चलो get up and do your work, get onto it. So I'm not a person who would sit down sulk for a long time, because there's nobody who's going to come and tell me कि बेटा ये है तुम्हारे पास, ये है, ये opportunities है, फिल्म लिख लिया मैंने तुम्हारे लिए. There's nothing like that. So I get up and get going. So that's how it is.
Right. Okay. On this note, you know, first of all, congratulations on everything which you have achieved. You know, just by talking to you, I think in this half an hour conversation, I can really, I think approximately that I can, but you know, I can really sense the amount of hardship you have gone through, and it happens very rare in an interview. And I think it was because you were unfiltered. You said whatever was there in your heart, and बहुत honesty के साथ कहा. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. All the best for everything. Thank you. Anything you want to say to your fans, to the people who love and watch your work? Anything you want to say?
Anybody watching this who wants to be an actor, जो भी मैंने बोला है, सच बोला है यार.
Of course.
तो उसको, if you want to come to Bombay, don't get demotivated. Just have money to survive here. और आते ही मतलब lavish घर, lavish rent पे थोड़ा बचा लो. Otherwise, please keep you know, please keep faith in me that I would keep entertaining, and this is just the beginning. Thank you so much for watching this video.